Hey, what's up YouTube's Eddie BR6. Today's video is going to be a quick one. We're just going to be installing K&N Performance drop-in filter. It's supposed to be a lot more airflow over stock. Some people even say that these make a little bit more horsepower, and they have thrown it on the dyno, but I doubt you would tell the difference. Here's a part number. And yeah, should be a quick and easy install, no tools required. Gonna have to pop these two up, lift it by the back, slide it. Got this propped open. No tools required. That's how the inside looks. I'm gonna get that cleaned up before I install it. Now that it's open, might as well. It's what they look like side by side. It's your stock filter and K&N filter right here. And this is same fitting as OEM, so you should just be able to put it right back in the same way you took it out without any hassle. One thing that did help installing it is once you have this thing open, if you lift up the sound tube right here, lift up on it, and yeah. And just like that, we got it in. Here's how it looks. This was actually a lot easier putting in than taking it out. It's a lot smaller than the stock one, I'd say. And yeah, to close this up, I slide this forward, align it, and clamp those two back right here. And there it is, all wrapped up in less than 5 minutes, probably less, to be honest. Real easy. Beginner level 1. Yeah, so we'll see how this runs. Probably give an update after about a week, see if there's any, if I feel any difference. I doubt it, but yeah, that's just gonna be temporary. I think lots of plans with this car. The next coming months, plan on getting PMAS fender well intake put on there. Actually have my RTR grill coming in tomorrow, so that this will all be exposed. You can see this stock grill right here. For some reason, Ford decided to cover up a lot of the inlets, I'd say, for the air. That's on both sides, even here in the middle too. And but yeah, got a lot of plans with this car. Also, some headers and get this thing dyno tuned. Only thing I've done so far is throw some spacers on. 25mm all around, real chunky in the back. Front as well. They do have a Roush patch to back exhaust with a Roush major pipe. Sounds really good. Probably make another video on that if you guys want. But yeah, that's probably wrapping up this video. If you guys liked it, or if you guys have any other videos you'd like to see me make, let me know down below. Subscribe, do what you gotta do. If you don't want to subscribe, no. And yeah, y'all have a good one. Peace.